Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my first video that I ever made, and I'm going to be showing you how to make Halloween bags with this golden bag, and I'm going to be putting some candy in it because it's Halloween, so why not? I'm going to be drawing some ghosts and stuff like that on this bag, so I'll be using permanent markers, glitter pens, and brush pens. Now I'll just put that aside so it doesn't get in my way. I'm going to be first using this glitter pen of the black one. And it is light and it just sucks through inside. So I might just do that and then put the permanent marker over it. I thought maybe I could do ghost first because it's Halloween. So yeah. So now I'm just going to be drawing the eyes and the mouth. And now that I've outlined it, it's more standing out. So now I'm going to be just drawing a few more other ghosts. And I also did draw some candy on it. Now I'm just gonna color in my candy up. I also got an orange brush pen and then did it with glitter pen, and then I outlined it because I was making a pumpkin with a wizard's hat on it, or witches, whichever you prefer. Okay, now I have finished this up. I also did it on the back, so it will have designs both ways. I'm going to be using some tape to put it around because I thought it will look a bit decorated if I put some black tape. So I just got a little bit of it and then I was putting it on the side. Then I was going to do it like the whole way around. Okay, now I'm just going to put it on the bottom and I'm going to do that same thing on both ways, the right side and the left side. Now I'm just going to do the same thing. I finished putting it all the sides, but I didn't put it on the back, so yeah, I just put it on the sides. I got marshmallow, Haribo gummy bears, some sour spaghetti, Kit Kat, and some Smarties. Now I am going to grab a Ziploc bag from here, probably just one to start off and see how we go. Now I've opened it up and now I'm going to just put some candy in. I thought I could just put some of the sour spaghetti in. This was surprisingly hard to open, so I had to use my scissors for this. Once I opened it, I was just going to grab a little or a lot. I'm not sure. And when I was trying to get it out, only the sugar came and none of the spaghetti did. If you could see on the Ziploc bag, you can only see white dots on it. So yeah. And now I'm just gonna grab a little of it out, and you can see that I ate a little bit, and it was good and sour. Then I put it in. So yeah, I put it in, and I was just eating and eating because it was so dang good. It got colors like yellow, red, green, orange, and I think that's it. So yeah. And now I just put like half of it. Now I was going to have Smarties, but then I realized, how about we do a gummy bag and a chocolate bag? Because, you know, the Smarties like Smarties chocolate and all gummies. So I was going to get that out, but I didn't because I just told you. And you know, this gummy bears are like actual gummies, so I just got a little bit of this out, and then yeah. Now I got a few out, probably not a few, a lot, and because it was a lot, I just wanted to eat a few. Okay, so now I'll just put it inside here, and that is my gummy bag. Now that I've finished my gummy bag, I'm going to move on to my chocolate bag. So here I got my Ziploc bag, and the Smarties that I opened, I'm going to put in. Wow, it was also hard to open, but I did it. Okay, now I've put my Smarties in, and this has a lot of colors. I'm going to be having some Kit Kat to put in because it's chocolate, and it came in these little packs instead of just a lot of chocolate. Oh, and it was so good. I love this. That's amazing. I was just gonna put 2 in it. Now that's my chocolate bag, but I know marshmallows isn't chocolate, but I was just going to put it on. Now I'll just put like 4 or 3. 4 is good, so that's what I did. Now I'm going to be putting it inside my Halloween bag. So I got these 2, and now I'm just going to put both of them in. Hopefully it fits. Now I'm just going to tie a bow around it so it would not get out. Now I put the bow in So I was just going to make the same thing in this bag. I drew all the ghosts, all the candies, all the pumpkins, then I colored it. Now, I also put the candy inside. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you loved this video and do it with me too. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye.